So let's talk about the filtration of this system. I've heard good things about that. Tell me about it, if you would.
Okay, Ranger. Well, as you can see, the square debris body, it's basically a two-stage filtration. The majority of the material is going to separate in the back end of that debris tank, or debris body as called, and then the airflow is going to go back up into the top of the debris tank and move forward through a forward duct, and that's what you're looking at here on this side panel. Okay, and that'll be the second stage of filtration, with the hopes of clean airflow moving into that impeller as we start moving forward.
Okay, so that's what that's there for, and that looks to be adjustable.
It's actually a clean. This is the clean out door. The two knobs you see there just secure it to the frame to for that airtight vacuum seal while we're performing.
Okay, so that's not a bleeder.
No, sir.
It's there to clean out. Okay. And when this lifts, what are we going to see? Where this will lift up? It's high dumping. It's low dumping.
It is a low dumping machine. When you raise the debris tank, you're going to see the hydraulic cylinder underneath, and we also have a vibrator option as well to loosen up any of that material that may be stuck or compacted inside the debris tank.
Okay, and it's a single cylinder. Will lift it. Very nice.
Yeah,
it's a beefy cylinder, I just have to know. So Michael, talk to us about your control panel. We've set this up with you in the cab here a little bit, and I'll move in on the control panel.
The control panel you see there, Ranger, it is a centrally located panel, and the reason for that is, if you notice on the other side of the cab, this is a single steer machine. If we do offer dual steer, you'll have another steering wheel on the other side, and we wanted that control panel to be user-friendly for either side of the machine. So it rotates to either direction, tiltable up and down for ease and ergonomics, basically. What you're looking at there is a pattern of controls. All the switches in sequence on the control panel are in an easy systematic flow. So we'll get the machine up and running. We're able to start deploying brooms, start rotating booms, and doing all those features in a systematic process in a very simplistic way. So
that speaks to safety also, and I like the color coding. That's excellent.
And the LCD display screen that you see up top there, that'll give us all of our proper indicators, fan RPM, vehicle speed, and percentage of water. Okay.
All right. So Michael, we've now moved to the back of the machine, and that is a beefy system here. Tell us about what that's used for.
Well, Ranger, one of the nice features about the AllSweep is we've got an option to do catch basin cleaning and or leaf type pickup through a catch basin tube and port located off the back door.
Or pick up German Shepherds. It looks like it's a pretty beefy system.
You can fit a small house cat through there.
You sure can.
With blinking off the dual nozzle plates, it gives us 100% dedicated performance to the rear of the machine. The catch basin tube, as you can see, is 12 inches, just like the inlets to the debris body on the nozzles. We've got a catch basin boom and hoist that will maneuver and lift up the catch basin tube so we can swing over and lock that tube into place.
So that's all hydraulic and no muss, no fuss, safety.
Yes, sir.
No problem. And the blue tube we have going there is...
The blue tube is actually a water decant port, so we can offload liquids from the machine. As you'll notice, the rear door is a pretty stout half-inch thick rear door with hydraulic wedge locks to keep it adequately sealed.
So you can seal water in and not drundle it down the road. I don't know if we can see anything in here. No, not really. So I think they need to go to their Vacall dealer and see what the inside of the hopper looks like.
Yes, sir.
Well, I guess what is there more that we should know? I see something here I don't recognize. What do we got here?
What you're looking at there, Ranger, is a washdown tube. Through our water pump and water system that runs at 120 gallons per minute, we can adequately provide flow to the back of the machine for cleaning out the rear of the hopper.
Well, that makes sense. And here we have the boom controls, I would suspect.
Yes, one nice feature we have in-cab controls for dumping, and we also have a wired remote pendant and wireless pendant to offer those same features at the back of the machine if we're outside.
That makes good sense. Well, is there anything else you want to say about the machine, Michael? It looks like you have a toolbox over here on this side, probably.
Yes.
That makes sense. Looks good. Looks like it's probably stainless. Is that what do we have in here? Is that a toolbox?
Yeah, that's just a
Okay.
storage container.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Okay. And then here up behind the cab.
Yep. Inside the compartment, this is where we put all of our hydraulic and water manifolds for easy access.
And they're sealed.
And everything is sealed watertight.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, sir. How are you doing?
I try to catch
All right.
I try to catch up with you.
And here's the back side of that noise distribution system where we saw the louvers a little bit earlier. So tell us how we might get hold of Vacall.
Well, if you're looking for Vacall, if you're on the World Wide Web, you can go to vacallindustries.com. Vacall is located in New Philadelphia, Ohio. We have a distributor network in all 50 states, so you can search on our website to find a local dealer.
All right. That certainly makes sense. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, Ranger. Thank you for having us.